Hi guys, today I'm gonna teach you how to draw Kid Goku step by step with a pencil. Now guys, let's go. First, we start drawing these two lines. These two lines gonna help us to add the details, the element of the face. Okay? Now, pay attention. They're gonna be the distance between the eyes. And now almost the double distance gonna be one eyes. Now here we have the distance between the eyes and the distance of the eyes. Okay. Now let me start drawing the first eyes. Now second one, and that way. That look perfect. Let me clean this area. Okay guys, the nose is just that. Look at this, pay attention. It's this shape, like this. And now the mouth a little close to the nose. You can make drawing more close to the nose, like this. Okay, let me continue with this. Pay attention, that's gonna be the mark that help us to drawing the face. Look at this, pay attention. Now let me draw in the face. You only have to connect that point. Look at this. Let me draw in the mouth a little down. Hey guys, ears in Dragon Ball characters are huge. I don't know why, but they are really huge. Pay attention about this. Look at this. Now, the last one. By the way guys, if you want done drawing something that you like, just comment below the name of the characters that you want and I'm drawing. Let me draw this shape like a circle, oval, this line. For now, the point where the locker grow up, like this. And here we have guys, Kid Goku drawing step by step with a simple pencil. Now let me add some details, clean some area, and that's it. Look at this, that look amazing. Anyway guys, see you next time. Bye bye.